Habapin pau yakani hadin ga jislok halor ka shelter home ka long ka office kam jaka Meghalaya State Commission for Women ka program manager jaka NEN ka kong Joy Grace Im klai thu bakatei ka Jylla da ka wei ka sur kla rai badan kam bandon no la ka jong jaka sa ka kyrpang na ka bynta ki Kynthei ki bia kynduh ikum kini ki jingeh ha ka jingim ka kong Grace ka long ru bakladan ka jing ai jingmut ba manla ki district jaka Jylla ki de bandoni ki shelter home kar kum ka jingong jongka ki te ki jaka sa kyrpang ki don kamru wat ki jaka ai kai ki jat kam ba pher khnang ba ki te ki long kami ki yo ban yang hala ki jong ki kajan kadi ka he ju ka NEN ka long ru ba ki kwa ru ban yo I ba ki shelter home ki de ban long kum ka yeng ba ki la ban yo e ka jing shngan ba ka jing kermen ha ka jing im kum ha ki hospital ne ki along ba ha ban sa shikamra ka Congress klai thoru ba ha ka jingwat bniah kila ba ki don kumba 6000 lai pu prangot ki Kynthei ka tana do ka snam 1000 khatwei hado ka snam 1000 khatpra ki bade ki Lanot ki bangat aki jingja sha thombor la ka long ha ukurim la ne wat ha yeng hasem.
So in Meghalaya Northeast Network conducted this study. We found out that there have never been shelter homes specifically for women in Meghalaya until mid-2018, that is last year, when two organizations opened shelter homes under the Swadhargriha scheme of the government. We interviewed women from, available alternate safe spaces here like Nimhan's, women at Ganesh Das Hospital, those who take shelter at the Hindu Mission, and the shelter home for children that is there in Lausotun, that also caters to certain women to stay there. There are a lot of the women residents, they found that there is lack of infrastructure. We as Northeast Network, but along with the support of the Women's Commission, along with the support of the other organizations who are present here today, we hope to submit our recommendations that we have come out with today to the government in order we can revision how shelter homes start in Meghalaya, especially now. You know, shelter homes are only opening. Last year 2 had opened. Many more will open this year. But before we open these shelter homes, let us revision that we are really providing for the realities, the basic necessities, and shelter homes must work with the human rights approach. Okay? And when we say human rights approach, what should we do? There should be a way for these women to get some skill training, vocational training. They can't stay in the shelter homes all their lives, but once they earn, they have a means of livelihood, they themselves would be able to stand up. Let's provide good counseling services to these women. Let's have experts in the field, because now if you see from the government, there are many government counsellors available. Even at the OSC we have, who are trained on counselling women. So we must open the avenues for more of these posts and provide, effective mechanisms for the women and the homeless women here in Meghalaya. Why have there been no shelter homes for women in Meghalaya? The main reason given by everybody was because of this matrilineal system. We believe that in the matrilineal system, the woman is always taken care of by her clan, the Kur. So why would women need shelter homes? That was the reason why a lot of the respondents said that's why there are no shelter homes for women. So I think we must recognize that just because it is a matrilineal society does not mean that women don't face violence.
Nakaliang juga chairperson juga Women Commission Kynthei dan Panbo habakran kum ka kongsan ila banjur hakate ga ju ka phang ba ka sarkar kare ban tinrong lang e ka lingkor khnang ban yo khambon ki jaka sa kyrpang na ka bynta ki Kynthei lani ki long kami ki ba kynduh jingeh ha ka jingim.
If we all work together, especially if of course we have this helpline also is there, then one-stop crisis center is also there, and at the police station we have this special cell is there. There are so many of agencies sometimes. I don't know whether people are really aware of all these facilities provided by the government. So we need to do a lot of awareness programs to highlight about these important programs that are being offered by the government, and I hope that people take advantage of these institutions so that they may be able to get some help.